Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineer, electrical and electronics engineer. So let us go into the video. I will be giving the link in the description. So when you click on the link, you will be going to the official website. Or else also you can type Linson India Private Limited in Google, and if you give search means you will be getting following result. And the first job which we going to see is associate project engineer, CAE engineer. So mainly the company is DEP India Private Limited. You are opting for the post of associate project engineer. The most importantly is the job location is in Chennai Ashok Nagar. So those who are willing to apply for this job can log in to apply or register your details and apply for this job. Salary they haven't disclosed, and freshers can apply for this job. So what qualification they expect is if you have ME or MTech or BE or BTech, and if you are 2021 passed out means, and particularly ME MTech in design and analysis, or if you have a mechanical background in UG, you can apply for this job. So other branches like mechanical, CAD/CAM design, production, FEA related, automotive, aeronautical, manufacturing and thermal can also apply. You must have a aggregate of 70% and above in 10th, 12th diploma and masters etc. You will be having a percentage of 70% and above. Other skills are you must have a strong fundamental skills and application skills. You must have good interpersonal skills, and candidates should be well versed in finite element analysis and have excellent communication skill. Your responsibilities will be you have to perform complex design in design analysis, understand the customer basic requirement, develop engineering design with minimum supervision, develop alternate design solution and quick solving problem, and ensure that all work are carried out in time, communicate with the team member and extract the work from them, and provide timely design guidance to your team leader. You have to maintain a positive working relationship with all the people in working in the organization. So these are the things which they expect from you. The interview process will be out of 3 rounds. Totally it will be compressing of 3 rounds. The first round will be written test. The written test they will be asking a general aptitude and technical, and second round is technical interview. So if you clear first round, you will be going to the second round, technical interview. If you clear the second round, you will be going to the third round, that is HR interview. So after HR interview, you will be given the result whether you are selected or not. So maximum those who are going for third round will be selected. And candidates, importantly, candidates will not be considered for 6 months if you already applied for this position. So those who recently applied or 2 or 3 months back applied means kindly don't apply for this job. And it's a full-time one, and it's research and development. And regarding the company name is Detroit Engineered Product Inc., and it's a advanced CAE driven engineering services. So they have their headquarters and footprints in Europe, China, Korea etc., and they work in various fields like aerospace, defense, biomedical, energy and oil and natural gas, consumer products etc. So it's a wonderful opportunity for gather and experience and learn from them. So kindly don't miss this opportunity, and particularly all those who live in Chennai, don't miss it out. So kindly apply for this job and give all your details, and they will be contacting you through registered mail ID or registered phone number. And the second job which we're going to see, the name of the company is Linson. So I will be giving the link. If you click on the link, it will be directed to the official page, or if you type the name of the company in Google and if you give search means, you will be getting like this. Out of this you have to choose careers. So you have to choose career. When you click, it will be directing to the official website. When you scroll down, you can see an option called career opportunities. You have to click career opportunity, and mainly this job is mainly for electrical and electronics people. So when you go for the job search, so the left hand side you will be having some filters. So totally 40 results we are getting. So if you keep on scrolling down, you can see graduate project engineer in Vadodara. Okay, so for this job only we are going to apply and see details. So when you click on the job, you can see the icon here for applying for this job. And if you are those who are willing to work in Vadodara can apply for this job. And here they have given the details of the company and do's and don'ts and plus of the company. Just have a glance of it, and when you scroll down, they have given the key responsibilities which they expect from you. Like you have to work under the supervision of your lead project engineers and understand different CDM duties, develop an understanding and different disciplines with engineering, ensuring that engineering assignments are completed in time. So these are things which they expect from you. And experiences, if you don't have any previous experience means that does not matter. So in addition, if you have a summer internship means it will be added advantage, and volunteering experience will be good, and previous involvement in students activities also welcome. So those who have certification in AutoCAD would be advantageous. So other skills are, you must have excellent written and verbal communication skills. So those who completed, that is these skills, like you have, if you are well versed and work in Excel, PowerPoint and all, it will be added advantage. And if you are interested in research abilities also, most welcome. So mainly those who completed BE or BTech in electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, the two in first division, can apply for this job. So electrical and electronics engineer can apply for this job. So if you scroll down means you will be having an icon called apply. So when you click on the icon, you will be giving all your details. So once you click on apply, you will be getting two options, whether you have to autofill or apply manually. So you have to click apply manually. So when you apply, they will be asking various questions. So kindly have some patience and replying and answering for all the question by filling like an objective type they will be asking. So fill all the data question, give reply for all the question and fill all your data, basic data, then only you will be applying for this job. So when you click on clicking the next option, and finally there will be a submit option. So when you submit, you will be applied for this job, and they will be intimating you or contacting you through your registered mail ID and phone number. So do subscribe this channel and kindly share this video to mechanical, electrical and electronics engineer. It will be very much helpful for them. And stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thank you.